Okay guys, I just received a replacement hard hat from Lift Safety, and it was given to me free as a replacement for one that I received damage from Amazon. Now, to be clear, the one that I received from Amazon was returned and I got full credit, so they refunded my card. So that order was refunded, and Lift Safety sent this one out free to me. So Paul from the company had sent me an email and wanted to know who the supplier was through Amazon, because he did not want this issue to happen again, getting a hard hat the way I did initially. So I told them that the source was Apex, APEX Group, and again bought through Amazon. He also mentioned in that email that if I would send him my address, he would send me out a hard hat at no cost. When I received my tracking number from UPS, it did say Fairway Import Export Incorporated, FAIRWAY, then it was Import Export INC. So I am thankful for that, Paul. Appreciate that so much, from Lift Safety. So let's take this thing out and see what she looks like. So just an initial look while it's in the box shows that this thing is in great shape. The issue that I had before with one of the hangers that hold the insert in for your head. So it does come with this nice heavy plastic that fits around the carbon fiber shell. And just looking at this, it looks in beautiful shape. So this is very nice. And the issue I had was, I believe it was the back one, and I think it was the one on this side, the hanger on this side. So as you can see, these are all perfect. They look great. If I ever have to replace this head insert here that comes out, I can replace this. It's independent. That can fit the shape of your head. Of course, it's adjustable. So, very happy. I want to thank you so much, Lift Safety, for doing that. It is much appreciated.